Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2007 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.0 Power Stroke diesel. It's got 206,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed, 3,200 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, a Miller 250 diesel Welder Bobcat. It's a really nice truck. I'll walk around and show it to you. Hydraulic outriggers, crane controller. Obviously, this was a work truck. We do some touch up on the beds and stuff where the paint's chipped off. It's just normal wear and tear stuff happens, and will show on a used work truck. It's a nice truck though. Everything's in good shape on it. There's another control box up there for all your lights and to turn your air compressor on. It's got a bag over it. My guys cover it up when they're cleaning so they don't mess it up. Place for your welding tanks here. $209,000 miles, 209,334. Outriggers down right over here. I'm just going to show you the basic functions on the crane, up, down, all that stuff. Up, down, left, right. Down, extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down. Turn your air compressor on, there's a switch right there, and then come over here to the other fuse or the other switch panel. Turn it on there. compressor's only got 14 hours on it.
All right, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. Again, it's a 07 model, 209,000 miles, 3,500 pound crane, hydraulic outriggers, Miller Bobcat 250 diesel welder, Ingersoll and Rand hydraulic air compressor. It's a really nice truck. It's ready to work. Just call 256-310-6852. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. A truck like this figure $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. Just depends on where you're located. Thanks for watching.